Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So today we are talking about 5 things that's gonna help you make your house feel clean. And if you're like me, I have 3 small children. Keeping the house clean all the time, like the full house, is just not realistic. So I try to do the first 4 things on this list daily, and then the 5th one I try to do once a week. And that just helps me feel sane. So I hope these tips help you out today, and let's jump into it. All right, number 1 is make the bed. A survey was done, and in that survey, 71% of people who made their bed considered themselves happy, while 62% of people who don't make their bed admitted to being unhappy. Bed makers are also more likely to like their jobs, own a home, exercise regularly, and feel well rested. Moral of the story is, people who make their bed in the morning are happier and more productive. Alright, my second tip is the dishes. This is something that I try to do every night, and I will just go ahead and start the dishwasher, that way it can run its cycle overnight. And then the next morning, my second chore of the day will be to unload the dishwasher, and that way I can just load it up as I go throughout my day, and I don't have to deal with a sink full of dishes at night. Now, I don't always get this done, but if I don't, it really throws me for a loop trying to get caught back up. So this is something that I really try to do every day. All right, number 3 is declutter. And I really try to keep all my flat surfaces, my countertops, tables, nightstands, free of extra decor that I don't absolutely have to have, or any things that I feel that are necessary out on the counter, just because it's going to keep my counters looking more clean and less cluttered. So I really try to keep as much as I can put away, and only the things that I use on a daily basis or that I just absolutely like to have out on the counters. Studies have shown that there is a direct link between clutter and stress. And another study showed that eliminating clutter cuts housework by 40%. So to me, that's just a win-win. Alright, number 4 is smell. And there's just something about a lit candle or some room spray or an essential oil diffuser that's just going to make your house smell clean and fresh, and it just kind of always does the trick. Okay, my last tip is the floors. The floors in my house are probably the hardest thing to keep clean, but when I am able to get those vacuum lines in or get a good mop on the floor, it makes me feel so much better. It's always the last thing I do in a room, so it kind of gives me the feeling of accomplishment because I've completed that room. Also, getting up any dust or pet dandruff is going to improve the smell of the house, and it's just going to help make the quality of the air in our home so much better. So that's all for today's video. I really hope these tips helped you out. If you have any tips of your own, be sure and leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear anything, any suggestions that you may have to help keep your house feeling clean throughout the week. And if you like this video, be sure and give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And that's it. Thanks, y'all. Bye.